The male seahorse can have children. The seahorse is a type of fish with tough skin. The seahorse swims by keeping its body in a vertical position.
Crab.
The crab has many legs and 2 claws. The crab is a funny animal to look at, as it moves very quickly. The crab has a hard shell.
Dolphin.
The dolphin is a very intelligent and funny animal that lives in the sea. The dolphins can jump on the outside of the sea. The dolphin swims at high speeds.
Swordfish.
The swordfish is a large fish with a great tip on its head. The swordfish loses all of its teeth when it's an adult. The swordfish uses its tip to hunt in the sea.
Starfish.
The starfish is a strange animal that lives in the sea and is star-shaped. The starfish can be of different colors. The starfish looks like a plant, but it's an animal.
Blowfish.
The blowfish swells by drinking water or air when it's attacked. The blowfish is highly toxic to almost any animal that eats it. The blowfish is blue.
Octopus.
The octopus is an animal that lives in the sea and has 8 arms. The octopus has a very sticky skin. The octopus has 3 hearts.
Stingray.
Stingray. The stingray usually lives near the coast. The stingray tends to blend with the sand. The shark.
Shark.
The shark is a very big and strong animal that lives in the sea. The shark has a flap on top of it. The shark has many big and sharp teeth in his mouth.
Sea turtle.
The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big.